Hey people, so this is the cute little place that we are staying at, and I've come here as part of the backpackers and city freaks. And as you can see, it faces the sea. So it faces, we are on the beach, and it was so fun staying here. Mine was the middle tent, the one that you can see with the white, the one in the middle, and that grey structure we had kept our luggage, and this orange structure is where we had our dinner. So yeah, this was, I wonder who would ever swim in a swimming pool when there's a beach right here and there's a sea. It's so this is how pretty as it looks. I know, yeah, probably someday I might get a professional team and shoot a professional video, but until then these kind of videos are the best. But at night it was a bit spooky. Right now it looks so beautiful. So as always, that's a 1-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.